Okay, this is the other option from getting from Blackhall to Leith. Not as nice as yesterday, as you can see. Also, wasn't feeling quite well. I've got a bit of a cold, so I didn't want to take a longer route. So today I'm taking the cycle path. There are less cars on this route. More dog walkers. It's a little bit shorter, so it's quicker. Although it's not as nice as yesterday, the light is still really cool. Okay, coming up, this is a junction which is notorious for cars just pulling out in front of you. And as you'll see, there's a blue car and a white car. The blue car sees me, then decides, will I go, will I not? He sees me now, he hesitates, then he goes, but watch the white car. White car's like, I'm just gonna go. It's like I was invisible. Something like that at that junction happens every so often, so you're prepared for it. But people driving cars don't look for bikes, they look for cars. If they don't see a car, they think it's okay to go. Anyway, negativity to the side, positivity from the other side. There was no wind today. That is a good thing. Have a wee look here to see if I'm able to pop out onto the busy road, and the option isn't there, so it's a time to dismount and use the lights. Cafe Citron, big advert for them. Yeah, it's not much fun watching the GoPro on my chest mount here because it's pointing up. Because as I'm sat on the bike, I'm leaning forward, so I have to have it pointed up so it looks out level. So when I'm standing up, it points at the sky. I'm waiting ages at this light. Can I go? Yeah. I'm always saying be mindful of cars because you don't know what they're going to do. It's the same with pedestrians. You just don't know if they're going to step out in front of you. This old lady up here in the brown jacket, she looks then steps. Look, step. Oh, that's right, she's looking for a car. And this is the North Edinburgh Path network, or part of it. And we are all the way down to Leith on this route. And a Christmas tree. see the same people on the path. That lady there, I see her whenever I take the path. She uses the path all the time. There's a dude who we're going to see coming up who always wears shorts, regardless of how cold it is. He's on a single speed too. From a video point of view, it's not that exciting really. The path is just straight and it's relatively featureless in the sense of there's not a lot of buildings, there's no real danger. It is actually fun to ride on, it's really good. You see lots of foxes around here too. You see them during the day and at night. Obviously. Coming up to the Red Bridge. The geographical icon. There we go. That guy was wearing shorts, but that wasn't the guy. That chap's doing no hands. Here he comes. This is the guy here. He always wears an orange top. Is he wearing shorts? He is wearing shorts. And he never wears gloves either. And there's Provis jacket guy. I see him all the time. This part of the path is downhill. So there's a negative gradient, so it's nice and easy to get to work. My first bike ride as an adult in Edinburgh was down this path. I was exhausted when I got to the end. It's a great way to start work. The only downside with cycling to work is you're a bit sweaty sometimes when it's hot out. But then if you're worried about sweating, don't cycle as fast, you know, take it easier. I had a bit of a cold, still got a bit of a cold. It's just a sore throat, sneezing, runny nose. As long as it stays out of your chest and you're not coughing, I would always cycle. Because if you're not fit to ride your bike, you're not fit to go to work, so you should stay home. So at the start of this ride I was feeling a bit rubbish. That car pulling out annoyed me a bit. But by the end of it, it was forgotten about. Here's the 5 ways. Oh, it looks like 4 there, but on the right hand side it splits off to 2. 5. And there's a work van parked right in the way. This area here, there's lots of foxes as well, so if you like seeing foxes, walk down here. Going under Pride Bridge, I think is what it's been called. They're talking about demolishing this bridge. And the path joins onto Lindsay Road. That's pretty much it. An alternative way of getting to Leith via the cycle path from Blackhall. When it gets lighter at night, I'll film the reverse journeys as well. forecast for tomorrow is going to be typically Scottish, I understand. So it won't look as nice. If I can be bothered, I might take the main road in from Blackhall to Leith to contrast how good the path is and the waterfront is. Right, bus, out the way. Just seen it, it's only 1.4 degrees this morning on the bike. I can't wait for spring to kick in properly. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this film. It was short and sweet, and hopefully of some use to you. See you tomorrow.